Hey guys, what's up? Coach Pika here, and this is Omega Nun. Omega Esports' online talk show and game show where we do the most radical things for you guys. Ourselves and some guests will do that for you. So please, don't hesitate to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below on what you want to see from us. See you guys around. Now we have contenders here today, mga kaibigan, na talagang gigil na gigil, ano? Hindi nakabataan itong mga to, pero competitive pa rin, no? We have two games today, namely Move Along Ball and The Cookies Falling. So, introduce naman natin yung contenders natin. First and foremost, from our League of Legends Wild Rift team, we have Stronger. And from our Tekken 7 team, we have Jules. Okay, so napaliwanag ko na yung mga rules sa kanila. Let's see who the winner is gonna be, and standby na lang tayo kung ano yung magiging reward nila pag nanalo sila. See you soon.
Uy,
grabe ka ron.
Pre, may technique yan, pre.
Only the Avatar, master of water, could stop them. But when the world needed him most, he vanished.
Tignan ng tawag, Jules. Pwede yan. Dahan-dahan lang. Jules, tignan ng tawag, Jules. Pwede yan.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
Tayo na, mas may effort pa kayo dito kaysa sa exercise natin.
Time na to, di ba? Ang hirap ba?
Gilid ng tubig.
Oo, di ba? May technique yan.
Yun, nice, Jules, Captain. Tignan.
Reverse sweep.
Okay, Captain Jules. Na sa burger.
Naku, parang...
Nako.
Parang umuulan na dyan, ha?
Yeah! GG.
Nice one!
You don't get it, do you? We were nothing!
So mga kaibigan, matapos ang talagang mabasa-basang labanan ng ating mga players dito between Stronger and Jules, ang nanalo ay none other than si Jules. Alright, so mukhang may matatanggap siya, hindi natin alam kung ano siguro, trash talk. Our next game is coming up, so stay tuned.
Nag-problem ba si...
Nag-vlog ka agad, no? Hindi mo lang sa dito.
Ayaw, pre!
Bakit?
Ano ba to? Papailing ako dito.
Paano? Paano?
Ay!
Uy! Matcha! Tagalan na!
Tagalan. Kaya pwede kayo.
Ano ba to, pre?
Ang hirap!
Ay! Nalaglag na lahat. Ano to?
Uy! Uy! Uy!
Hey! Tinitimpla, tinitimpla.
Ayaw niya malaglag, bro!
Tinitimpla. Wala, tinatawag tayo.
Yung bawi mo yan yun!
Tapos na hindi lang mo.
Ano yan? Uy! Uy! Uy!
Kumuha doon. Labanan. maganda ito. Watch, Gogi.
Uy, yung electric fan!
Kaya, sanay na sila dun sa kabila. Uy!
Yo!
So ladies and gentlemen, we have another game that concluded, and for this one, nakabawi kaya? O na-defend ba ang kanyang throne? So our winner for our cookies falling is si Stronger naman, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so ayan. But don't worry, we encourage sportsmanship here. Stay tuned for our next contender. Hello everyone, Coach Vic here of Omega Esports again with another episode and another set of games for Omega No. Now we have our players from our League of Legends Wild Rift team. Pakilala ko muna sila. To my right here is Impressive. And impressive naman talaga itong tropa natin. Pero, not if he has something to say about it, si Timelapse naman on my left. So, we do have two games here, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, the Move Along Ball and of course, the Cookies Falling. Ako, mukhang talaga namang madiin and madikit yung labanan natin mga kaibigan. So, let's see who's gonna win that. And kung ano mapapanalo nila, stay tuned.
Paano yun, Jun? Paano yung tempo, Jun?
Inhale ka muna, pre! Uy! Sige! Pa! Yun, napay ko sana! Yun pa! Yun na! Yun na! Kaya umigo ka ng noodles, oh! Sige, bigyan ng tubig! Sige! Uy! Uy! Tapos na! Ata! Hindi ka ba?
Habol pa.
Kaya pa! Nalagyan ng tubig!
See, this is why.
Wah! Wah! Hindi pa may mata!
So friends, we just concluded Move Along Ball. Mukhang may nanalo na sa atin na talaga namang para sa kanya nadadalian yata. Mukhang kulang sa challenge. So the winner of our first game is none other than si Impressive, diba? So again, this guy, buong bibig yung salita.
Basic.
Basic. So let's wait for our next game, ladies and gentlemen. Stay tuned.
Uy!
Uy! Pwede ba yan? Pwede ba yan?
Baka